Have you ever wondered how ethical hacking works? Or perhaps you've pondered on how someone might acquire the skills to become a white-hat hacker, the good guys in the cyber world who use their abilities to protect and defend, rather than exploit and attack? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to explore the roadmap to learning ethical hacking. First and foremost, it's important to understand that ethical hacking isn't something you can just jump into. It requires a solid grounding in the basics of computer science. So, your first step on this journey will be to familiarize yourself with the fundamental concepts of coding and networking. There are plenty of online courses and resources available to aid you in this endeavor. Once you've got a good grasp on the basics, it's time to delve into the world of cybersecurity. This is where you'll begin to learn about the different types of threats and vulnerabilities that exist in the digital realm. You'll also start to get a feel for how hackers think and operate. From here, you'll want to start exploring the specific tools and techniques that ethical hackers use. This will involve studying topics like penetration testing, intrusion detection, and vulnerability assessment. It's also crucial at this stage to learn about the legal and ethical considerations that come into play when hacking. Remember, the goal here isn't to become a cybercriminal, but to learn how to prevent cybercrimes. The fourth step on your path to becoming an ethical hacker is to gain practical experience. This could involve participating in simulated hacking scenarios, known as capture the flag events, or working on real-world projects. After gaining some practical experience, it's time to consider certification. Earning a certification, like the Certified Ethical Hacker credential, can help validate your skills and make you more attractive to potential employers. Finally, remember that in the world of cybersecurity, learning never stops. New threats and vulnerabilities emerge all the time, and keeping up with them requires ongoing education and training. So, even after you've mastered the basics and earned your certification, your journey as an ethical hacker will continue. So, there you have it. A roadmap to learning ethical hacking. Start with the basics of computer science, delve into cybersecurity, learn about ethical hacking tools and techniques, gain practical experience, consider certification, and never stop learning. It's a challenging journey, but for those with a passion for cybersecurity, it's a journey well worth taking.